The equals sign are two lines next to each other. You should know that, but we should cover it anyway. And well, you can think of many ways of showing that 200 is equal to something else. This is one way, 100 multiplied by 2. But you could also say that 200 is the same as 10 multiplied by 20. Or 5 multiplied by 40. Or 50 multiplied by 4. Or something as simple as 200 subtract, or as 220 subtract 20. All of these are equal to 200. 300 could be equal to 150 out of 150. That in turn is equal to 150 multiplied by 2. And that's also equal to 3 multiplied by 100. All of those make 300. 0.7 can be made by adding 0.2 and 0.5. That equals 70%. It also equals 1 subtract by 0.3. And it also equals 7/10. All of these are equal to 0.7. And 25 can be made by taking 50 and dividing by 2. 25 equals a quarter of 100. 25 equals 5 squared. And 25 equals 250 divided by 10.